Welcome to the channel. It's good to be here. Zvakanaka kuva pano nguva dzese. So yes, I've decided to up my game. So I saw this on internet. It's a video making kit. So because I need my videos to be like professional. I'm trying to turn pro. So this is what I got. It's a kit, as you can see, a full kit with the microphone, etc. But I don't know because it was a Chinese website. So let's see if what I got is what I ordered. Oopsie. I don't know what this is. One. Actually, it's supposed to be. It came from there. So that's the whole kit. Because when you decide to go into something, you have to go all in. That's one. The problem with these things, I can't see any manual in here. So I have to figure out myself what it is, what this is. The aux cables. Okay. I'm assuming that's the microphone. And that's the stand. Okay, so it's like do this, and I will figure it out because there's no manual. But in a sense, we'll see how my picture quality improves, because that's like the light, the lead light. Yeah, so, and that's where I can put my phone. So the actual kit is like this, and I bought this for something like 35 pounds with the delivery that came to 40 pounds. Okay, I'll see you in the next video and see how this goes. If I really like it, or if it improves my video quality and enhance my content. Thank you for now. Bye bye for now.